If you ever come across an animal impaled on thorns or caught in thorny wires, it's likely the work of a bird called the shrike, often referred to as the butcher bird. Despite its innocent appearance, the shrike has a unique hunting method. After catching its prey, it impales the creature on sharp objects like thorns or barbed wire. But why does it do this? The bird leaves the prey hanging for a few days to allow any toxins in the animal's body to break down before returning to feed. This fascinating bird can be found in North America.